Want to start earning money just for owning stocks? Welcome to Dividend Investing. Here's exactly how to start. Step 1. Set your goals. Are you investing to live off dividends someday? That means building a portfolio that pays consistent, reliable income, maybe even monthly. Or are you investing to reinvest every payout and grow your wealth over time? That strategy leans on compound growth, not withdrawals. Know your goal. It shapes everything from stock choice to timeline. Just know there's no right answer here, but the path you choose will shape your strategy. Step 2. Open a brokerage account. You'll need a platform to actually buy stocks or ETFs. Here are a few top choices in the US. Vanguard, known for ETFs. Robinhood, user-friendly, easy to start. M1, Finance, ideal for dividend investors with auto-invest features. Fidelity, great for beginners. Charles Schwab, low cost and reliable. Look for no account fees. Access to DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan. Fractional shares, solid mobile and desktop apps. Step 3, choose what to invest in. Start with dividend stocks or, as explained in our first video, dividend ETFs, which bundle dividend-paying companies into one package. If you're picking individual stocks, look for long dividend track records, dividend kings or aristocrats, yields between 2% to 6%, payout ratios under 70%, healthy businesses. If you want it simpler, ETFs like VYM, SCHD, or HDV offer built-in diversification. Step 4. Decide how much to invest. You don't need thousands to start. Even $50 or $100 a month adds up. Use a strategy called dollar cost averaging, investing the same amount regularly to smooth out market ups and downs. We'll cover exactly how DCA works in a future video. Step 5. Reinvest your dividends. If your goal is maximum growth, reinvesting everything is the way to go. With DRIP turned on, every payout automatically buys more shares, which then earns more dividends, which buys more shares. You get the idea. That's how you supercharge compounding. In most brokerage accounts, you'll find this under dividend preferences or reinvestment settings. Flip the switch. Done. Step 6. Track your progress. You can use your brokerage dashboard or create a custom tracker in Google Sheets. We'll walk you through building one step by step in an upcoming video. Just keep an eye on your portfolio. You don't need to micromanage, but don't ignore it either. Focus on dividend health, not daily price swings. Step 7. Be patient. Dividend investing is not get rich quick. It's get rich slow, but steady. It rewards consistency, not hype. You're building a machine that pays you while you sleep, but only if you give it time. Dividend investing sounds fancy, but it's really just a way to get paid while you wait for your money to grow. Now you've got the steps. It's time to take action. Hit subscribe. Stickonomics. Finance. Drawn simply.